Okay, let's start the trade recap for 23rd February to 27th February. So this 23rd to 27th, actually I did not trade any trade. Okay, so I did not trade any trade for this week, but I can go through what happening during the last week. So okay, let's start with the S&P 500. What happening is, okay, let's start with the Monday. So in Monday, this 4-hour candle, initially is green, then almost bullish candle, almost closing in the zone, but the candle is rejected during this 4 hour, so it's close back outside of the zone. Okay, so this zone is I already mark up Sunday, because this is the daily rejection high. So it's daily rejection high to all-time high. This is my buy zone. So first Monday, the 4-hour this candle failed to close. So this is not my setup. So I not enter this trade. So market come down. So what happened is, this is my 4-hour swing. So 4-hour swing. So this is the level that I'm monitoring, is 4-hour rejection low, because they are rejected from 4-hour swing. So this is rejection low. So my setup is must be close below 4-hour rejection low. Then next level, this one, the daily swing. Okay, so what happened is Tuesday, this candle is a 7 p.m. candle, close as a 11. So it's around 10 p.m. something. Is also is market really coming into this zone. Looks like they are going to close as, but after like 9:30 to 10, they will reject back. So actually, this two candle is really testing my patience, because initial this candle also very green. This candle is very bearish candle. The whole candle is red. I almost going to enter, but I take it. I take backward, and then okay. My setup is I need to wait close 4-hour candle close inside this zone. So at the end, the candle completion is rejected. So also this is not trading. So these two trade is prevent me, because testing my patient. If really I did not patient and I go in, I will be confirm lost these two trade. But according to my setup, is trading plan is I should not enter these two. Okay, so actually the coming to Wednesday, this is the candle that close inside my zone. But actually is this one close is at the 11 p.m. So at that time, this US session, I did not trade, and I already sleep. So okay, then let's take a look at the 1 hour. What happened is, okay, this is a 7 p.m. candle, close as 11 p.m. So I go down to 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour candle, you can see is at 10 p.m. Then this is the 11 p.m. Right? So it's by right, I have to be according to my setup, because 4-hour candle close inside the zone. So it's my entry should be high side, should be around here, or maybe it's close above this. So this is my setup, because I cover the stop loss, this 1 hour gap. So the stop loss is covering this 1 hour gap. So this is a take profit. So this is a high side, but I missed this trade because I already sleep. Okay, so after Wednesday, then actually the market cannot run all the way to all-time high, because this is my buy zone. Is supposed, it's really market is really buyer is controlling. I hope this one all the way to all-time high. So go back to the last few weeks. So you notice this is also seller coming in. So it's compared to last these two accident. This is the third time. So seller is coming in the market like more and more aggressive compared to last two, because this one after that earlier they will come in, then this one cannot reach to that previous high. So really seller is coming in quite aggressively. So this is for ES. So this is according to my trade setup, this winning trade, but I missed this trade. I did not take. Okay, then I go to next step. Okay, Nasdaq is also similar. similar situation because it's a Monday. In it's a end of the Monday. The candle is also 4 hour swing close. I mean the rejection for rejection low, but market did not come back again. Okay, so only will be possible setup is here. Same like ES because this ES and Nasdaq is very close, and so this is also same. The 7 p.m. candle close as 11. So according to my zone, because this candle is already very bullish and close around here, so it's my runway is very short. So if I'm stay awake, then I will not be take this trade because based on risk to reward, right? So it's easily I need to take the very big stop loss because if let's say I need to enter by around here, it's 11 p.m. is here. So if I want to take this trade, right, so my stop loss should be at least cover this gap, this 1 hour gap. So this is confirmed loss trade. Okay, so it's really just take note that my zone, the candle is almost more than half of my zone, and also the runway is very less. So this kind of situation need to be stay away and don't jump into the trade. Okay, so after that, okay, so this is the one, this zone is completed. Okay, then Aussie 200. Okay, Aussie 200, I almost about to enter. Same thing. This week, market is really testing me. Okay, so this candle. Okay, this is my rejection low, daily rejection. I think this is already I mark out during the Sunday, but this is the daily gap. Daily gap. This is the daily rejection low. So this level. Okay, so come to 4 hour. So this 6:50 a.m. So it's close at 10:50. So I'm monitoring this trade. I about to enter. Because I'm very closely monitor, but I very patient that I wait. I want to see this candle close here. So very convincing because during this candle forming, right? This is a 1 hour candle. You can take a look. 1 hour candle is already close inside my zone. So I'm about to enter here about 9:50. I'm about to enter the trade. One thing is, first, my trading plan is 4 hour must be closed. So at that time, 4 hour candle is not complete yet. Only complete at the 10:50. So that's why one thing is the 4 hour candle is not complete yet. Then second thing is I see my runway is very short because the next rejection level will be this gap. So market cannot be fully go through by this gap, at least because this gap is maybe some rejection. So based on risk to reward, or I see the runway is very short. So because of these two reasons, I skip this trade. So it's very lucky to me that the candle really after candle complete then close, go back to this, not enter the zone. So this is also not my trade setup. So I follow then during the week is all the way going up, and then I don't have setup because even though market go up, I did not do anything because some more is the autumn high hit and after that go. So normally I stay away during market is hitting all-time high. I don't have any setup. UK 100, same thing. This week is really same thing that testing my patience. Same thing happened. This is a 4 hour rejection low, this level. So candle come down, never close. So I did not enter. So it's saved me a lot. Okay, go to gold and silver. Okay, gold and silver. Okay, let's see gold. Because during Sunday, my recording, I already said that I need to wait for market to break above previous high. Then this is my big zone. Then also I noticed that this is a 4 hour gap and a 4 hour rejection high. So these two level is the kind of rejection. So this is already this buy zone and this two level I already mark out on the Sunday. I only want to see on the Monday market must be close above this. So it's really very early. It's a Monday morning market open. Is this candle already formed. So I really no chance to enter, but I see them normally Monday. I don't like to trade also. This is some kind of my psychology. It's a Monday. Sometimes Monday I don't trade. Friday also I don't trade. So okay, then for example, let's see if I take this trade, where should I enter? First of my trading plan is really 4 hour candle is closed inside my zone, so it's okay. Then I go down to 1 hour. Is there any gap? 1 hour gap that I can, okay, so this one. So for example, okay, high side, if let's say I will be enter cross above this, so it's probably should be this candle about 10 a.m. 10 a.m. candle. So based on the I need to cover by this 1 hour gap. Okay, I adjust the stop loss to candle this 1 hour gap. Then maybe 1:1. Okay, 1:1 is likely. It might be, maybe depends on broker spread. Because this one very just touch only. So because sometimes it's trading view got hit profit, but my trade broker due to spread. So maybe this one 50-50. It might be if I take this trade, is maybe win or maybe lose. Not sure, because this one very quite marginally, because sometimes the broker platform cannot hit the day profit. Okay, so this is just for high side. It's a possible trade setup, but all the way after that, the whole week market is very, very ranging. So as I say, because this 4 hour gap, first time is reject. They just touch and then reject it. Okay, so next week need to monitor. I believe is continue go to. Okay, that one maybe I next recording for focus video, the weekly focus video. I will update for this. Okay, then next to go to silver. Silver is last week during my focus I already said that this is the week before the zone is not complete. So it's a Monday open all the way during about Wednesday, then complete the old zone. This is the old zone the week before, not last week, the week before. So market is complete the old zone. Then now is in Friday market before market closing, just the price come into the fresh zone. So this is my new zone. So okay, then the next week, okay, I will update in the weekly focus video. I will update how to draw the new zone and where to look out for the resistant area. Okay, that's all for this week. So I did not take any trade for this week.